The most excellent, Norman Washington Manley was a prominent Jamaican statesman and a national hero. He co-founded the People's National Party and played a key role in Jamaica's struggle for independence. As the nation's first premier and later prime minister, he focused on social justice and improved education and healthcare. His efforts led Jamaica to independence from British rule on August 6, 1962. Manley's legacy as a visionary leader continues to inspire the country. At the heart of the site stands Manley's tomb, adorned with a prominent six-pointed star. Surrounding it are pairs of pillars, each representing different aspects of Manley's life.